Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super special for you, a 10-minute natural English conversation between two friends. This is the best way to improve your fluency, learn real-life vocabulary, and understand how English is actually spoken in daily life. No boring textbook lines, just simple, natural, conversational English that you can start using today. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Try to repeat after the lines and practice along with the conversation. Let's begin. Hey Aisha, long time no see. How have you been? Hi Ryan, I've been good, just a little busy with work. What about you? Same here, work has been crazy, but I'm surviving. You look more relaxed than usual though. Thanks, I'm trying to follow a better routine these days. Waking up earlier, exercising, and even practicing English daily. Wow, that sounds productive. What changed? Honestly, I realized I was wasting too much time scrolling on my phone. So now I'm trying to focus on healthier habits. That's impressive. Habits really shape our life, you know. What exercises are you doing? Mostly walking and yoga. I want to start strength training too, but baby steps. Yoga is great. I've been thinking of joining a gym, but motivation comes and goes. Happens to all of us. Maybe start small, like 10 minutes a day. Once you see progress, motivation follows. True. By the way, where are you working these days? Last time you mentioned some new project. Oh yes, I'm working on a communication skills project now. It's exciting because I get to teach people how to speak confidently. That suits you. You've always been good at explaining things clearly. Thanks, Ryan. I'm learning a lot myself. Teaching makes you grow faster, right? Absolutely. When you teach, you understand things more deeply. Are you planning to make YouTube videos too? I'm thinking about it, but I'm still nervous about being on camera. Don't be. You're natural at speaking. Plus, people love authenticity over perfection. I guess you're right. Maybe I'll start with short videos first. Good idea. Consistency matters more than everything else. So, what's new with you? Any travel plans? Actually yes, I might visit Kerala next month. I need a break with good scenery and good food. Kerala is amazing. You'll love the backwaters and the peaceful vibe. Exactly. And I need some time to think about my long-term goals. Oh? What's going on? I feel like I'm stuck. Same job, same routine. I want to grow but I don't know what direction to take. That's normal. Most of us feel that at some point. What do you actually enjoy doing? Well, I love editing videos, creating content, and teaching English in my own style. But I'm scared to take the leap. Fear is normal, but staying stuck is worse. Why don't you start as a side project first? That could work. I could post one short video a week. Yes. And you don't have to be perfect. Just focus on improving bit by bit. You're right, even I keep telling my students, progress is better than perfection. See? You already know what to do. You just need to trust yourself. Thanks, Aisha. Talking to you always puts things into perspective. Same here, friends are supposed to help each other grow. So tell me, what's your next big goal? I want to publish an English workbook. Something simple, practical, and helpful for learners. That is a brilliant idea. You should definitely do it. I'm writing a little every day. Hopefully, by next year, it will be ready. I'll be the first person to buy it. Laughs, I'll give you a free copy. Even better. But seriously, you inspire me. Your discipline is next level. Trust me, I wasn't always like this. Small habits changed everything. Reading 10 minutes, practicing English, journaling. Journaling helps? A lot. You understand your thoughts better. It reduces stress too. Maybe I should try that. I've been feeling overwhelmed lately. Start with just one line a day. Write how you feel or what you're grateful for. That sounds easy. I'll try it. So what else is stressing you? Mostly deadlines and expectations. Everyone wants things fast. That's the modern world. But you need boundaries too. True. I need to learn to say no politely. I can teach you some soft alternatives. Please do. I definitely need them. Okay, here's one. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I'm not able to take this on right now. Ooh, that sounds professional. Another one. I won't be available at that time, but I can help later. Helpful and polite. I'll practice these. Good. So, what's your plan for the rest of the day? I'll probably finish some editing and go for a walk. What about you? I'm meeting my cousin and then recording a small English lesson. See, you're already doing the YouTube stuff. Smiles, slowly but steadily. Well, this was a great catch-up. I feel lighter. Same here. Let's do this more often. Absolutely. Same cafe next weekend? Deal. Perfect. Take care, Aisha. You too, Ryan. Bye.